One of the biggest challenges we found busy parents face in Dubai is not spending enough time with their children, and the guilt associated with that. In 2018, we interviewed 1,500 parents, and 90% of them stated time as their biggest stress factor, specifically not spending enough time with their children. The reason for this was because of the second biggest stress factor, money. The parents who were concerned about not having enough time for their children were working in demanding jobs so that they can provide a great life for their families and children. The problem here is that these parents understood that a better job, a higher income, and a better lifestyle was no replacement for time spent with their kids. But it's magnified in Dubai, and the expats that have relocated to Dubai take up high pressure and often demanding jobs. So for years, we've sought to solve this problem. Firstly, we developed a program that most students stick with for over 6 years and helps mentor them through the 3 biggest transitions of childhood: changing schools, overcoming bullying, and adolescence or transitioning to adulthood. Secondly, we gave parents the tools to mentor their children and connect with them on a deeper level, focusing on quality over quantity in terms of time. If you want to become a warrior family and you feel this relates to you, or if you're going through the same challenges that we believe so many parents face in Dubai, then I believe we can help you, and we'd love to welcome you to our warrior community here in Dubai.